Hi guys, hope everyone is doing really well today. Today I'm going to do showing you what's in the box. I've got this box and I might show you another box. I don't know, see how we get on. But I'm definitely going to show you this box anyway. It's only a small box, but it's got some cool items. So let's get on, let's have a look what's inside. Right, so we've taken this job lot out of the box. Let's see what we got. Now the reason I actually went for this item is for this one here. I mean, I might get a bit of a rag. Where's a bit of a rag? There's a rag. Just wipe the worst off. This is a very rare John Heaton multi-tool from 1869 to 1871. And this is a multi-tool. Obviously it's got two grips there. It's got some sort of a chisel there, screwdriver, hammer, nail puller, wrench. Really early, and this is a really rare item in the US. I do have one here which is a slightly later version from 1871. This one's 1869. I don't know if you can see, it actually says it on it there. It's a David Heaton multi-tool, and just here it's here David Heaton 1871, which is this one is the Imp. Now this one is another version of the same tool, and this is a real gem. So I was really delighted to get this because I love multi-tools, and this is one of the best things I bought, best lot I bought in today, and that's the reason why. Now there is some other interesting items beside this one, most notably this very cool early multi-tool. It's got a crate tool, hammer, hatchet, nail puller, and I don't know if that's some sort of tin opener or I don't know what it is. It's got a patent on there, so I'll be searching the patent up to have a look or ask somebody else to do it for me because I'm too lazy. But it's in lovely condition and it's a real beauty. So that and that are the real gems, but there's still some nice things. We've got a set of Hargreave pliers, April 1880. Obviously these are for setting the rings in pigs and cattle's noses. You can crush the the different size rings to obviously move, but I really like the pattern on it. I think they're really cool. We've got a speed tog clamp. Really nice speed tog clamp. I've got a few of these, but it's nice to have another one. We've got a Crescent Tools. I don't know if you can see that. Crescent Tools USA set of pliers. Really nice with a little fine teeth. I've not seen that design before. Lovely. We've got here that's interesting. The jaw moves. So it's like so it can grip different angles. I've never seen a pair of pliers like that before. How interesting. What a cool set of pliers. This is a Bodie's patent. I don't know what that is. Does that say? I don't know what that says there. I can't read it. I don't know if you guys can read that. Bit blurry to me. But really like those pliers. I don't think I've ever seen a pair of pliers what can grab something and wedge it tight. Very nice. They're a keeper. We've got a nice sort of clamping tool here. I've got one similar, unbranded. We've got a nice little set of, looks to be British made early pliers. A lovely little pad saw handle, absolute real gem with the pad saw handle. We've got probably is a welding tool. I wonder if this is, I don't know if this actually, I think it's solid, possibly homemade. I love the way it's chamfered on the head of the hammer. Really cool with a screwdriver. And then my third favourite item is this Plum USA set of pliers. I just love those. Those are amazing. And they're in amazing condition as well. No pitting, lovely and clean. I mean, they will wipe down and wax. Really nice. Lovely set of pliers, those. Really like those. So definitely those are possibly real gems actually. In fact, they're all good, to be honest. Even everything in this lot has got merit. They're all probably find space for them all to keep them all. yeah, so really nice lot. Really love this very early David Heaton multi-tool. This was one chap's collection with all these spanners and all these multi-tools. It must have took him a long time to actually what do you call it, to acquire all these tools, because these are exceedingly rare. The only one I've ever seen in the UK is this one, and it was off my friend who's been collecting for 60 odd years. So like two little brothers, two peas in a pod. So super happy with that. I think we've got time to show you another box, so let's show you another box. Right, so this is the second box, and I think some of the keener-eyed might be able to realise why I bought this box, but let me tip it out and we'll take a look in this one as well. Right, so we've had a quick look. Now the keener amongst you may realise the reason why I bought this was, you can see here, this is a very rare it says Garrick patent, June, you can see 1869, and this is another one of those John Heaton multi-tools. This is a real beauty, and obviously it's a lot smaller than the other three which I have, and these are, in my view, really fabulous. So both of these boxes, the one with that one and this one, was around 110 pounds, or about $140 with all the tax and all the rest of it. But these two are absolutely exceptional, and I'm over the moon with these multi-tools. Absolutely exquisite, lovely jubbly. So, but there is some interesting items. We've got a multi-tool bits, multi-tool jobby. We've got, I don't know what this is, looks like some sort of reaming tool. Kind of cool, with a brass ferrule, nice knob, really nice. I don't know what this is, looks like Buck London. I'm not sure what this is, some sort of jig. Looks like hard old boxwood, that, doesn't it? Really nice old boxwood. Shame it's got a hole drilled in it. Make a nice little wood plane out of that. Lovely little bit of boxwood, that. So yeah, very nice. We've got here a lovely saw set with a bit of brass on it. That's a nice gem, that's definitely a keeper. We've got a lovely sort of lead plumb bob with a little brass tip and a brass thingy. It's had a few whacks, this old plumb bob, but really nice. We've got two quite nice spoke shaves, early wooden spoke shaves, lovely. We've got looks like some sort of a dovetail, possibly jig. You can adjust it and then lock it down to keep it in position. I'm thinking it's for dovetails, but not too sure really if that's a dovetail jig or not. Some of you in the comments might know, but a bit of fun nonetheless. We've got a really early looking scraper, really funky scraper thing, which is really fun. We've got a couple of oil stones, really nice oil stone here, oil stone here. I don't know what this is. Bit of brass on it, bit of fun. I'm not sure what this is. It's got a tag on it, which is always helpful. 1935 catalogue, blah 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 blah. Dovetail, is it? Does it? I'm not sure if it's a depth gauge for screwing on, for clamping on, or something for a bit and brace. Possibly you clamp the bit through, tighten it down, and then that's your stop. So you don't, it's a stop for a drill bit and brace. That's what I think. We've got this lovely box here, hardwood, with a nice stone inside it. Very nice. Looks to be a man-made stone, very sharp, but I'm not sure. But really nice box nonetheless. Someone's done a lovely job of that. So overall, there was quite a lot of treasures, but for me, the star of the show is this multi-tool. I think it's a real gem. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Take care. Don't forget to leave a comment. All right, bye.